Hello guys! Today's video is all about a room tour. So if you're wondering, I live in a condo, that's why the windows are kind of big, but here's just a quick overview of my desk. The first item we have here is the BenQ Lamp, which was kindly gifted to me. It has a wide lighting coverage that fills your entire study space, not to mention it provides ample lighting without the glare on your computer. What's best about it is that it has an auto dimming feature that adapts to your environment and color adjustments to suit your need. And it also has a one-tap feature to turn on your light. With studying from home becoming more popular, I find it's just crucial to have ample lighting space, which is vital to creating an amazing study environment. Be sure to check them out in the link below. Next up here is my Google Home, which I often use to listen to music or ask my Google Home random questions, and here is my printer. In the corner we just have a bunch of cords and my air purifier, and in this cabinet are all my teddy bears I just keep, and here's a mess. It's just all my past school papers that I might need for university, or just like random binders that I really haven't organized. Here is my desk. If you're interested, I do have a desk tour video. Here is my tripod that I use to film the majority of my videos. I just keep it on the side beside the garbage. And then here's my water that I always drink, and my random essentials that I just put in this little caddy. And so in my drawers, the first one I keep paper, like I have Kikuyo paper, lined paper, black paper, just all this type of paper. I know I have a bit too much. And at the bottom is some sticker paper and cardstock. So in the next drawer, I just have like notebooks and papers, and the bottom two drawers are just like random things and money. Here is my washi tape and my USB toggles or memory sticks. Here's my phone memo printer, and next to it are my Airpods, which I got for free from my Macbook. I'm currently listening to music, that's why they're not in there. And then my studio earphones, which were kindly gifted to me back in September. As you can tell, I kind of like listening to music when I study, and now it's just become a habit that I can't stop. Here are my bullet journals, and then on this side are all my stationery items I keep, my Tombos, and then all my mild liners, pens, gel pens, and above here is just like my random corner of stuff that fits. And up top I organized it into this pencil case, which is like, I don't know, random stationery items that like I just found and I don't know where to put them. This was like my pencil case from grade 8 and I still haven't opened it since then. And here are my sticky notes and stickers. Here is my bed. It's like a Murphy bed, so it actually goes up. And then this book I sometimes read, it will send you to sleep apparently. It kind of works, not really. And then here are just my teddy bears. This on the other side are all my cabinets, and this is my bookshelf. There used to be like a bunch of books here, but currently I'm lending some to my neighbor, so that's why a bunch of them are missing, and some of them are my sister, so I haven't actually read all of these. And then in this section are all my clothing. On the first drawer are just my t-shirts, long sleeve and like short sleeve. And then in this drawer we have my sweaters. Most of them are pretty comfy and soft, cozy, you know, that type of thing. And then below here are all my pants and shorts. Above here are my random boxes of things. It's just mostly a storage thing, and I used to really like origami. That's why there's a bunch of origami paper sets. And then in this section are my sister's stuff, so I'm not gonna go there and touch it because she's gonna get mad at me. And here's my home gym. It's some yoga mats, some resistance bands, and some ankle weights, which I just use as regular weights as I don't have dumbbells. Anyway, so that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye bye.